What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Today, man, we playing with the firearms. Playing with the firearm, man. The new ones. Get some more shooting footage for y'all, call. I said y'all just saw me do some test runs there before it rained. We were rushing. I got me a new, fresh racing gas can. Just got finished cleaning it out. I got it full of water, and I want to hit it with a slug. I want to hit it with a slug and see if that water gonna catch it, or it's gonna be enough force the punch all the way through, which is crazy how ballistics do, cause I did this before. I filled the can up with water, I hit it with a 7.62. The impact hole, the exit hole was crazy, but it caught some pieces of the round was still sitting in the bottom. That's why I like filling these cans up with water, cause it slows the power down. Like, it take a lot of power out the bullet, and it might go all the way through, but you usually catch pieces of it. You'll catch fragments of it still in the bottom of the can. So we're gonna do that, and gonna get Wifey on here shooting it too. Which this ain't gonna be her first time, cause she did that on her channel, her first reaction to it. But she gonna be firing that. And the Derringer, I'm gonna try to get her to shoot the Derringer. I'm gonna try to get her to shoot it, but she gonna be firing both of them. I'm gonna be shooting a couple rounds. Go, cause it's a pretty day. And I feel like letting some rounds go, man. It's a pretty day. I got a Fred can. And I might go ahead and finish tearing up the other can. The one, y'all know, the one we were hitting with the buckshot. So without further ado, let's do it. So we got everything set up. I got those set up for Wifey down there. The two empty Sunny lights. I'm saving the can for the slug. I'm only shooting one, so I got to hit the first time. They too expensive, man. They too expensive to be shooting, man. 1600 LPS slugs. Deal slug. Copper. I'm not shooting all these. Shotgun ammo too high, man. I got a box coming, but it ain't here yet. So after this, I'm gonna hold up until my box comes. I got like 240 of them coming or something, so I can fill all my mags up, especially for the bullpup. That's why I'm gonna be shooting this right now instead of the bullpup. Cause I got a 15 round mag, 10 round mag, and a 5 for the bullpup. But this right here, this Benelli, it just hold 5. So I'm about to put one. I'm gonna have to unload that. I'm gonna have to unload it, and then I'm gonna shoot the rest on a buckshot, and we're gonna let Wifey shoot. I'm gonna let Wifey shoot semi-auto mode and pump. And I'm gonna let her shoot these. I'm finna shooting these though. I like these. These some 1300. Nope, they 1245 LPS. But these some good buckshot, man. Federal makes some good. They make some good ammo though. I'm gonna buy some more Federal buckshots. 9 pellet. I think they're 9 pellet. Yeah, 9 pellet, double lot. Then we're gonna shoot the Derringer. See, empty. I got 2 for Wifey, 2 for me, and then I keep 2 in the box, and I keep 2 empty shells for dry firing, just because they say don't dry fire it with no empty shells, but you know, people do it. So, but I just keep them in there 2 on if I need to dry fire it or something, let somebody feel the trigger pull and everything. So matter of fact, what I'm gonna do, cause I'm gonna shoot these last 5 bucks right here. So I'm gonna let Wifey shoot these 5. I'm gonna let her do 2 semi-auto, and then the last 2 will be pump action. So like I said, this ain't gonna be her first time shooting it, so y'all ain't seeing the initial first reaction, but y'all seeing something. So y'all stay tuned. All right, I got it loaded up. I got it all loaded up. We got 5 in. The first one is at 1,600 feet per second slug, so I can't miss. I ain't shooting but one because it costs too much. So I want to see what that slug gonna do to that can since it's full of water, and I want to see if the water gonna kind of make the ammunition lose power like it do when we shoot like 9mm. If I hit it with a 9 or 380, even a 7.62, it'll lose power, and like I said, we'll catch a little piece of the lead and stuff in it. So we're gonna see what this deer slug do, and the rest on buckshots, the last 4. And I'm gonna let Wifey shoot. So I'm gonna let her shoot one so y'all can see on camera. But y'all wanna see her first reaction. Like I said, she shot it on her video. Y'all definitely wanna see her first reaction to the 357. I'm proud you ain't gonna shoot that no more.
No, I'm not.
I said, I said I'm gonna try to get her to shoot it, but she ain't gonna shoot that.
That's not a favorite of mine.
I figured it. I'll leave her the last one in here, so I'm gonna shoot 4. I'll let her shoot the last one so y'all can see her shoot it. That heavy ammo hit, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
I started the river right here. Oh, it dented the can. It hit so hard. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all this before I shoot the rest of the bucks. Whew. Boy, that thing like took my shoulder off.
Yeah.
That thing heavy, man. That's a heavy load.
Yes, heavy.
That's a heavy round, but it hit right there.
This is heavy.
That was the exit. And it definitely, that pressure of that water, when it hit, that's the water trying to knock the cans, it swelled the can up. That's why the can look like that. So when it hit, it's the water. The water what did this. That's a lot of pressure. It beat, the water beat the can up. So that's why it looked like that. Y'all see that? Can they see the dent good? On that angle? It's that water. So now we're gonna go ahead and pepper it with the buckshot. So I got 3 more. I'm gonna say the last one for white.
Oh! Somebody, oh! He needs some milk.
You caught it too, didn't
you? Yeah. Ish.
I'm gonna leave that in there.
Y'all were talking about me. And the many times I done slipped up.
I'm gonna leave that in there for y'all. See, I could have cut it out, but I'm gonna let y'all get y'all a little 7 tuckers in. The rest is
We'll laugh about it later. At least I am.
Yeah, to put it in the head. All right, wife finna shoot. Shoot at the can.
I am.
And then take it out. It's on safety. You just got one.
Yeah.
All right, so finna shoot the Roughneck a couple times. Definitely gonna be using ear protects for this. I ain't mastered the flip yet.
See, you talking about
I'm
me.
not mastered the flip. You couldn't even get the latch. You trying to, y'all got to see her video with this right here. Y'all need to see her video, man. I'm telling you. It's
No, y'all don't. Not that part, I'm saying.
something else, man. I had to do it for, man, what the?
See?
Stay in there.
So every time you
Y'all seen all this comedy stuff. I already done slipped in the mud and everything. I ain't ready. And I'm finna take these. I don't know what she recording with the earmuffs on.
Oh yeah, I be forgetting they on.
Shotgun. Most of the shotgun. Goodness gracious.
Yeah, it's a little mud.
Muddy. Yeah, this thing here a little awkward hitting. I don't think I hit it now time. Oh. You can stand in the mud. But anyway, this all the buckshots. Y'all saw the slug. Oh, them some big buckshot pellets, man. Look at that. That's crazy how them buckshots rip through that.
Yeah.
Like they kind of stayed grouped together. That's all buckshot, but you would think there's a slug. The way that exit hole is, you would have thought there was a slug that came out of there, but them buckshot. Then one came out the top. Them buckshot pellets. Look at that. Look at that.
I know,
What
see.
is the
Y'all see it?
Look, it caught. Did what I want to catch for y'all. I did hit. I thought I hit that 357. This the 357. That was that first shot I hit one.
Yeah.
It was the first one. I couldn't find it where I hit. So it caught the 357 round out of this where I hit the first one. This. It crazy. That's what I was hoping we get out of this. It wasn't no water up there, but it caught it. So where was it? It was right here. So it hit high. That's the entry. Or either an enter right there. That's what I'm saying. Ammunition, bullets, ballistic, man, they do some crazy stuff when they hit target. Like you don't know where they're gonna come out. They don't have no straight path all the time. Now 5.56, a 5.56 out the AR, it might rip clean through. But there we go. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all, we're checking in. So look, the day done went by. We got finished, and we had to go to Teeny's soccer game, so I had to hurry up, put everything up, and all that, and then just get with y'all later. So the funny thing is, we were gonna drive R&B, but I discovered, so I said, still can't ride 4 deep because the kids, boy, can't put no weight in the back. But you can get away with it, man. You just have to compensate for the weight. So you have to air the shocks up because there's not much air in the air shocks, which is another reason why I wanted to go with air shock, because I know that I'll be bouncing back and forth between like weight and not weight. So that's why I got the air shock car instead of coilovers. Cause like you said, man, I mean, with the air shock you can go up and down as you put weight in the car. So when there's no weight in the car, you just air the shocks down and stuff. So that's why I chose that instead of the coilover car. Once I set the ride height, it is what it is. So we did that. Well, all in all, like I said, it was a good day, man. Fun. Got to let some rounds go. It's always good to get to let some rounds go, man. I'm loving that Benelli M3, man. That's a nice piece. Loving that Benelli M3. I definitely gotta get me some more Federal ammo. I'm about to look into that. And what else? The parts. I got to order the parts for this thing right here. I got to order the parts for this. So we finna get the exhaust redone on this. We still waiting on exhaust parts for Dolo. That's all I'm waiting on that. They taking a long time. Aluminum exhaust, man. Cause it been maybe like 2 months now, going on the 2nd month. And we've been waiting on just a couple of bends. He got a lot of stuff there, but we waiting on a couple of bends, man. And I can finally get the exhaust system redone. That's gonna get this car a little more pep. When I redo the exhaust system on this, it's gonna get this thing a little more something. Watch this. I guarantee, cause them. As soon as I told when I told Jess the other day how small the headers were, he like, oh yeah. He said, yeah, you need to step that up. I do. So that's what we got going on, man. But I'm about to go in the house, man. I'm tired. I ain't ate none of this and that. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.